Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making orange mojito and it's quite easy, refreshing, and for those of you that haven't watched the classic mojito recipe, I will put the link in the description box and you can always check for the full ingredients in the description box. So we're gonna start by adding mint leaves, lemon slices into a cup. You can use a jar like I'm using in the video. Be generous with the mint leaves and lemon. Then I'll be adding some lime or lemon juice, some simple sugar syrup, basically sugar and water, and then I'll muddle everything together to release all the oils, all the juices and flavors, just like I'm doing in the video. If you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Chef Amos. So now I'll be adding my crushed ice. You should be generous with the ice as the ice will help balance the sweetness in the drink. Don't forget we've added sugar syrup, which is basically sugar. The ice will balance the sweetness and make it to be. Here I'm adding my orange juice. I'm using this 5 Alive pulpy orange because of the pulps inside. You can just freshly squeeze your orange juice and use it anyone you have. So I'll be topping everything up with any clear soda. I'm using Sprite in this video, but you can use any clear soda you have. So top it up. And then I'll be garnishing. Here I'm just adding my mint leaves. I'll be adding some straw and some lemon or lime slice, anyone you have. So basically that's how you make your orange mojito. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share with your family and friends, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Chef Amos. Comment down below which other recipe you want me to record for you guys, and I love you all. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.